Hi, I'm Dr. Shepard with Aligned Family Wellness. Today we're going to be understanding and addressing speech delay in children. So like so many other developmental delays and health challenges in our kiddos, seeing your child struggle with speech delay is heartbreaking and a frustrating experience for parents. Speech delays and challenges don't just interfere with your child's communication, but it leads to social and emotional challenges, as well as getting frustrated that they are unable to communicate their needs and emotions to those around them. So if your child's been diagnosed with a speech delay, or if you're concerned that they may have one, this video is a must watch. Additionally, if your child is already diagnosed receiving speech therapy services, but is still struggling or plateaued with their results, be sure to watch this video all the way through, and we'll show you how so often traditional therapy is so amazing and wonderful, but doesn't fully address the root cause of your child's speech delay. So we're going to break down the science and neurology behind speech delay in kids. And most importantly, we need to get into the missing step that you've been searching for all along. So first we want to understand speech delay. So speech delay refers to when a child's language and communication skills develop more slowly than typically expected. That's indicating that there is some stress or interference within the brain and the nervous system causing this delay. Many children with speech delay may have individual words that they may struggle with to make them clear to string together and form sentences. Causes of speech delay. Like most neurologic and developmental delays in kids, most pediatricians just say it's bad luck and they don't give them much help, other than a referral to a speech therapist. So speech delays are most commonly an issue with the physical formation and execution of speech, especially once other neurological disorders or hearing challenges are ruled out. So we want to talk about how birth interventions or trauma can contribute to speech delay. So one of the overlooked contributing factors to speech delay that we see again and again in our practice is the role of birth interventions such as forceps, C-sections, vacuum, and inductions can play, as well as how connected speech delay are to things such as chronic ear infections, torticollis, which is their head is kind of locked to one side when they're a baby, or plagiocephaly, which is a flat head. It can also be traced back to birth intervention and trauma, and also subluxation. So subluxation and speech delay. Since we know that the majority of cases of a child's speech delay is caused by physical challenges within the nerves and muscles that coordinate and execute speech, it's essential that parents learn and know about the neuromuscular dysfunction that's called subluxation. So subluxation may be a word you all have never heard of if you've never seen a chiropractor before. It's the neurologic dysfunction that creates interference or disrupted communication between the brain and the body. In this case, most specifically, the nerves and muscles that coordinate speech and control speech formation and execution. So the role of pediatric chiropractic care. The most unique thing about our approach at Aligned Family Wellness is that we do not seek to treat or cure speech delay in children. Instead, our entire focus is to work with parents and other providers to make sure we are finding root cause, neuromuscular dysfunction and interference, and creating a personalized and customized care plan for your child, rather than recommending doing the same thing for each child based on their delay or diagnosis. While seeing your child fall behind on speech and other developmental milestones can be disheartening and frustrating, getting to the root cause with neurologically focused chiropractic care and seeing your child get back on track is the most rewarding and exciting thing ever. And we love to celebrate those milestones with your kiddos. It's just so amazing to see them grow. So if you're looking to get the most out of speech therapy and make sure your child gets back on track, visit the link in our bio. We can also send you a full educational article about speech delays in kids. Send us a message and we'll send it to you personally, or call us and schedule an exam or a consultation with me at Aligned Family Wellness. We would love to take care of your kiddo.